Isang siglo na ang National Collegiate Athletic Association o NCAA at bilang pagdiriwang asahan ng sports fans ang bigger and better season at iba't ibang pasabog sa opening ceremony sa Sabado. Nakatutok si JP Soriano.
Mula sa paghahanap ng mga new heroes sa Season 99, mga tumata at hindi malilimutang collegiate sports moments naman ang aalalahanin sa Season 100 ng National Collegiate Athletic Association o NCAA. Ito ang NCAA Siglo I, Inspiring Legacies, nakikilala at magdiriwang sa isang siglo ng tagisan ng mga student athletes ng Premier Collegiate League ng Pilipinas. Ang host school ng historic season ay ang Lyceum of the Philippines University na pinangungunahan ni Season 100 Policy Board President Attorney Roberto Laurel.
It is our pride and honor for LPU, Lyceum of the Philippines University, to be the host of Season 100. We are going to have a very competitive, exciting, no other season than like Season 100.
Kaya abangan ang pasabog sa opening ceremonies ng Season 100 ngayong Sabado, September 7 sa Mall of Asia Arena na ipapalabas sa September 8, Sunday, 10:05 a.m. sa GMA, simulcast sa Heart of Asia.
We prepared an opening ceremonies that will show how NCAA was with respect to its legacy, its history, and then also unity and strength by way of several innovations.
Bukod sa inaabangang basketball, ma-highlight rin ang iba pang sports sa gitna ng lumalawak na interes ng mga Pilipino. Present sa NCAA Philippines Season 100 Grand Press Conference ang NCAA Management Committee ng 10-member school, GMA Synergy officials ng official media partner ng NCAA na GMA Network, coaches ng men's basketball teams at team captains ng basketball team, kabilang na ang NCAA Season 99 champions na San Beda Red Lions at runner-up na Mapua Cardinals. Para sa bayan, ang 100 years ng NCAA, magtatanghal din sina Justin De Dios ng SB19 at ang P-Pop Female Alphas na G22 na siyang aawi ng NCAA Season 100 theme song na Own the Future na nagpatikim na rin ng sample sa press conference. Para sa GMA Integrated News, JP Soriano, nakatutok 24 oras.